Well, we're on the 24th floor? 25th floor. Oh man, hard for me to even look down. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at this. This is Tahoe Lake.
Taal.
Taal. Okay. And then this is the famous volcano. It erupted just back in 2020. It got really bad, like 150 people got evacuated. 150,000 people got evacuated. We were getting dust even up in Manila. Real heavy dust and smoke. Tomorrow we may take a tour out there, and a little boat tour. I'm kind of wondering what these are. They almost look like fish bins. I think they're fish hatcheries. I don't know. I'll have to wait till I get back, or maybe tomorrow. It's getting really heavy overcast right now, so we'll kind of see what we'll do. Today's our first day here. We're here for our 8-year anniversary. And then we're going to go over and look at these little huts they got over here tomorrow too. They're for rent, so not really sure how much they are or how secure they are, but looks like something we might be able to do with the grandkids sometime. Sure, that's what this is. That's a many fish bins. We'll know more about it tomorrow. Oh, this beautiful sight. Spoke is over there. So there could be a little fish or something. But so hopefully tomorrow we'll get a chance. A little windy up here. Actually, the first time I've been cold since I've been 8 years I've been coming to Philippines. It's the first time I've actually been cold. Well, we'll take some more pictures tomorrow, but I don't know what that mountain is over there, but after I see it, I want to climb it. Not that I climb mountains, but I just like to be up top views. This is really fascinating. Summit Ridge. Oh. Yeah, there's some fascinating things to see. Say hi.
Very cold.
Yeah. I bet this is the coldest you ever been, huh? Ah. You and me? Amazing what nature can do.